We've been looking for a quick yeast bread recipe. Now we love
Yes.
our yeast rolls, but I thought, man, if we could really work something out here, we could, in a half hour, instead of letting stuff rise all day long, so on and so forth.
Overnight. Right.
Exactly. So we found something, and you got to use quite a bit of yeast.
Yes, you do.
But man, you talk about good and
fast.
easy. And speaking of fast, we got to get this thing going because we're coming together here.
All right, so I have my cup and 2 tablespoons of water. I have a 1/3 cup of, I used olive oil.
Gotcha.
Put that in there.
If you see us using oil, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be olive oil.
1/4 cup of sugar.
Gotcha.
And now I think the secret to this is 2 tablespoons of yeast. That's a lot of yeast.
That is a lot of yeast.
We're going to put that in here, mix it up. Sounds like our oven's ready. You can see for now it's just kind of like it would normally look. We're going to let this set 10 minutes, and this is going to grow.
I can dig it. All right, so that's my potatoes cooking.
I do.
This is a little bit of heaven right here going on right now.
You love that.
And your bread is going crazy.
Did you see what this did? I mean, it's
unreal.
grown. So we're going to now bring it over to the mixer.
I need to slide this back.
Yep, pull that back. And I have my bread mixer on here. So Russ is going to do most of it for us. See how that doubled in size?
Yeah, that's amazing.
I'm going to close it down, and we are going to lock it and put it on just stir. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
I tell you what.
1 egg.
I love the yeast breads, but I don't think we found anything this quick and this easy. Knock on wood. Hope it doesn't mess up tonight.
Yeah. Now I have got 3.5 cups of bread flour here, and I'm just going to keep adding in slowly.
Bread flour. You can find it anywhere.
It's the best. You could use all-purpose, but I really think the bread flour does a lot better. You can use the bread flour.
Imagine using bread flour for a bread recipe.
Yeah. How odd.
Who would do that? I'm so excited about the bread.
I know.
And the chicken looks amazing, and potatoes look amazing.
You're hungry, aren't you?
You know, tonight we didn't even make a dessert because this was a pretty in-depth recipe. But when it all comes down to it, this is the main thing. We got a side going here. You got your slice of bread. I'm talking beautiful stuff here.
The bread's your dessert. It's nice and sweet.
How much flour?
I got 3.5 cups here.
3.5 cups.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn it up 1 notch now. It's kind of getting there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right,
it's gonna jump
done.
off the counter.
It's done. It's good.
It's done?
Go ahead. Let me do this.
See, this bread thing, man, I don't mess around with the baking. I do the meat and potatoes. I'm just amazed.
But you'll eat it, won't you?
No, I'm amazed by the process and so glad that that's your thing.
All right. There's our bread.
Because there's like math and science involved in baking.
I'm going to put a little bit of flour on this so I can work with it a little. And you know what? You're good at shaping. When we made bread earlier, I think you're going to be our bread shaper.
All right.
So
I'll shape it.
I'll let you be the person to decide what you want.
I think it's beautiful.
And we're just going to let these set for 10 minutes. And they're actually going to grow a little bit.
And they don't have to be perfect. I mean, if they're not perfect, then it's artisan bread.
There you go. Beautiful. Good job.
Just like that. Oh, the bread.
You got to go for it. Look at the butter's all melted on there nicely. Ooh, there you go.
Did I get it first?
You get to try it. I like that. We had that in 30 minutes. Yeast bread. Is that?
Wow.
That make good French toast? Let me take a bite.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.